What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to do post render in Photoshop. So firstly you have to make copy of the layer which you want to post render. Now right click on the copied layer and select hue and saturation. Now set the saturation to -100. You can see now that the image is turned into black and white. After that merge the saturated layer in the copied layer. Now go to filter and select other, and in other you will find high pass. Open that, and as you can see that in high pass, by increasing it I can see more shadow on the edges and it will make my render a little bit more detailed. Now click on the merge layer and select overlay and decrease its opacity to 30 or 40. As you can see the difference after applying the filter and before applying the filter, you can see the shadows on the edges are more darker, more sharp. Now convert the hue and saturation layer to smart object so that you can edit it later if you want to. Now select the layer 1. Again you have to go into the filter and select camera raw filter. As you can see there are many options in camera raw filter, so let's start from basic. So in basic you can see the temperature, tint, exposure and many other options. You have to set it according to your own. As I want more light in my room, increase exposure as per I need it in my room, and just like that I am setting contrast according to it. So you have to set these settings according to your image, according to your requirements. As I want more detail and shadow on the edge and brightness from the window, I want it more, so I am adjusting my basic settings according to it. You have to keep in mind that you have to increase texture because it add little more detail in your image. It make it little more texturized, little more sharp. So definitely in almost every post rendering you have to increase it according to your requirement. And you can also go for clarity removes the blurry effect from the image. So you can also see in the video that when I decrease it to -100 the image get blurry, and opposite of it you can see that the image is getting more clearer, removing that foggy look. So in curve section I need more lights in my room, so I am increasing it according to my need. Let's type 5 here, it's the most I need. And also I want little less darkness in my room, so I am increasing the darkness up to 50, or 50 is enough for my render. And for now I am not going to do anything with the shadows. So now let's go to detail section. As you can see I am increasing its sharpness because I need more sharpness, because the sharpness is adding more detail to my render, so I'll increase it to 100. And there is also a little bit of noise in my render, so I'm also going to increase it, just in case if your image don't have any noise or very less noise, you don't have to increase it. So here you can see the difference before camera raw filter and after camera raw filter. That's a huge difference you can see. Also I want more brightness in my render. I think 25 is enough. And also I want to increase contrast for more detail. So as you can see, after increasing the contrast, the detail on the edges are more clearer than before. So that's how you can do post rendering quick and easily. If you have less time, you can go for it. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification for more updates.